Ever struggled to learn a language? Baffled by blackboard conjugations? Grappled with grammar? Vexed by verbs? You're not alone. Paul Noble is here to help. Paul used to be just like you, but after devising his own tried and tested method, he taught himself 5 languages fluently. Now you can do it too. Did you know you already speak French? Important, conversation, table, attitude, patience, all French. You're practically a genius already. By making a few simple tweaks, you can unlock the enormous vocabulary you never knew you had using Paul's word robbery. Need to book a table? Paul will give you the simple building blocks to construct conversations. Unlock a whole world of languages, whether you prefer to learn by book or on the go. You'll be speaking the lingo like a local in no time. Minimum effort, maximum success! To find out more, visit books.harpercollins.co.uk/Paul Noble or try a free audio sample at soundcloud.com/Paul Noble Languages.